Welcome. If you're looking to find all your followers on Roblox using the latest web update on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through each step so you can see exactly who's following your Roblox profile. First, open up your favorite browser and head straight to roblox.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your personal features. Once you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. Here, you'll see a menu with several options. Find and click on the one labeled More. This will expand the menu, giving you access to additional sections that aren't visible by default. Next, from the expanded menu, select Friends. This is where Roblox keeps all your social connections organized. When you enter the Friends section, you'll notice a few tabs at the top or side of the page. Now, look for the tab labeled Followers. Click on it, and you'll instantly see a full list of everyone who's currently following your Roblox account. This section displays all your followers, making it easy to check out their profiles, see who's interested in your games, or even connect with new friends. If you want to view more details about any follower, simply click on their username. From there, you can see their profile, what games they play, and even send them a friend request if you'd like. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've found all your followers on Roblox using the latest web update. This method is quick, straightforward, and works perfectly on PC. Now you can keep track of your growing community and interact with your fans whenever you want. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more Roblox tips and tricks. Happy gaming!